If you've ever said the words, I can't draw, I want you to know something right away. You're not alone. These are some of my early drawings, now, because we all have to start somewhere. I didn't start out confident. I didn't start out knowing how to do faces. Believe me, the first time I tried was back in, gosh, mid 80s. And I took a workshop and it was a disaster. I was just about in tears. I was so bad. And I never drew one again, not until 2000 during the lockdown. And I took an online workshop and they showed me the simplified way, which I am going to show you, of doing a face. And oh my gosh, it just opened up an entire world for me. And ever since, I have been drawing faces and I love it. It doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing, you can draw a face and have fun with it. Okay, what I did start with was curiosity and willingness to try, even when my hands felt awkward and I felt like I couldn't do it. I kept doing it. Over time, I learned that drawing a face isn't about talent, it's about breaking things down into simple steps and giving yourself permission to be a beginner. That's exactly why I created Paint Your First Portrait. And we'll just go, each one will progress. So the first painting we're going to do is this one. And it's basically drawing this face in a very basic way. And then we're going to transfer it to our watercolor paper. And then we're going to paint it.